Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And so today I have a little thing I would like to share with you all um, about my keypad, garage keypad. And I had this for a while, but all of a sudden now it's not responding to my call. And I checked the battery, and the battery is good. Okay, so I think I have an idea of what's going on to this thing. So I'm gonna try to fix it. Okay, and I have done this. This is a Craftsman keypad that I have done it to all the remote Genie and all that. And anyway, I'm gonna share with you possible a problem to this. All right. Like I said, the battery is good. I put a brand new battery on here, and so I don't think the battery is the problem. And you can also measure this in this 9 volt. So yep. So to undo it, there's one screw right here that you have to remove, and then just slide up, and should come right out. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna just leave the battery in there, I guess. Okay. Again, I guess yeah, I'm working with one hand, so hopefully it'll be okay. Yep. Hopefully everyone is doing good out there. Yeah, it's been a very nice day here in Florida. Yeah, the weather was kind of bad the last couple of days. Been, as you can notice, this tornado that happened. So it basically just wiggle and slide up. Okay, and I'm gonna bring this inside. All right, okay. To work on it. All right, so here's the keypad, and I have removed the battery from it. So what you need to do is have to take this back housing out, so you can get to the board, the control board. So I'm gonna try to be carefully using a small screwdriver. I think that's maybe the best. Alright, so you can see the housing right here. Yep. I have never opened this yet, so hopefully it'll be. Right, yeah, so what I did was I pushed it from the inside here. I think these might be gluing. They were a little tough, but I managed to get a little part of it to loose over here. So but it seemed like they glue it or something. So I'm just continuing to carefully pry it out. Yeah, so I work from inside here. You can see this part of it. Try. Almost there. I can feel it. Yeah, they definitely glued this. There you go. Woo! Yeah. So you can see. No. Yeah, so they glue it. So I cracked a little piece here, but that's alright. We'll probably have to glue it back in. Yeah, I didn't quite expect this, but anyhow, yeah. So there's two pieces of rubber here, and yep, another piece here. So basically, my experience, Ben, is the keypad over time, you can see there, right? Yeah, years of use, and I don't know if you can see how dirty and cruddy it is. Sometimes they even have, because all the moisture and rain, and it built up mold and all that. Okay, so yep, and what I normally do is just take some Q-tip and with alcohol, yeah, and just clean the the whole both side, up this membrane, and also the actual board contact and all that. And very simple, which is, but anyway, this is something that was, they meant to design like this, I guess, right, so over time it'll get, you see how dirty that is? Yeah, I would say clean it really good, and because the time these either shorting out or I'm not able to get you to making a good contact. All right, see right here, you can see how dirty it is. Yep, just wipe it really good. Yeah, mainly all these area. Yeah, very common problem. Like I said, this is the maybe second or third time I have done this, and it works like like new again. All right. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Very dirty. Okay. So keep swiping it. Look, make sure that these fingers are nice and nothing in between them. See, it's too dirty. Yeah, I'll probably do probably another twice more cleaning. Okay. Give one more shot here, see what happens. Yeah, much better. Yeah, less. Yep, you can definitely, you try this before you go out and buy a new one. Yep, and like I said, there's nothing much to this, control or remote board. Yep. Very basic circuit, nothing too hard. Yep. And in the back. Right. Yeah, I say that's pretty good. And let it air and dry out. Okay. Like I said, same thing with on the rubber membrane here. with the actual behind. Yeah, make sure you clean that out really good. Yeah, you can see it's a lot built up. Yeah, this tiny particle. Yep. Yeah, these are just sitting outside all the time, or years after years, right? So it'll take a lot of abuse from the environment. So yeah, see, very filthy, dirty. Yeah, making sure you clean them good. Yeah, try to get, if I have some air, I would blow it too, to get, because all the small stuff will get back in there again eventually. So, yeah. And a lot of time, like, insect, spider and all that could get in here. And then, they will build up like eggs and all that. And cause, how still dirty is. You can take this out. Yeah, I say that's pretty good. Okay? Yep. Anyway, that's all you need to do is make sure, and make sure you don't leave the, I guess the particle or the lint back in there. Make sure it's already. So just put it back, reverse everything, okay, and then carefully, put. Just clean it. Alrighty. Might as well clean, the back plate. How, stuff was able to get in there. I guess this is foam used to be here, but it's all been eat away. This is, like I said, this brand Craftsman, they glue it, so it makes it a little bit tougher to get this plate out. But on some other brand, you know, they just some you know, some knot only that you go to pry it out much easier. Ready? Alright, so just like I said, yeah, reverse the order. And then this thing just kind of sitting just like that. Alright. And then this thing just kind of... Oh, yeah, what you can do is put the membrane on here first. Yeah, there's holes that you align them. Just make sure, yep, just like that. And then just slide this thing over it. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put some epoxy and glue it back to make it, to secure this back plate. Okay, so yeah, so alright, but we're going to test it first before I glue it. Alright, so let me put the battery and we'll bring that back outside and test it, see what happens. Okay, let's bring it outside and see if you can make this work. Yeah, but see, those lights lit up. Yeah, before it was still doing that, but it just didn't take the cold, so the cold would not, you know, respond at all. So, so let me press the coal and see what happens, okay? Alright, there you go. Yeah. Alright, that's it. That's all you need to do to your keypad if yours does not respond, and hopefully that will resolve your problem. Like I said, first check the battery, make sure the battery is all good, has the right voltage, and then if it's still lit up and all that, then it's possibly that it's dirty. Okay, all right, good luck with yours remote, and have a great day. Thanks for watching, and if you find this useful, please share and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.